Hey guys, it's me, ErRenee. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm a little late on this box, but I'm going to open it anyway. This is the December Fashionsta box, The Box by Fashionsta, and I'm excited about it. I am always happy when I get my Fashionsta box because they are full-size products and they are usually incredible. So I can't wait to share this with you guys. I have been stupid busy this month of December, so I apologize for my late post, but here we go. So this is what it looks like. A sticker that says The Box, and I love the packaging and the branding on this. Just so you guys know, I spend my own money on these. I'm not paid for my reviews, so I'm going to give you the honest review. So let's open it up. It's filled with crinkle paper, and I already see a brand that was introduced to me through Fashionsta, and I've fallen in love with this brand, so I'm going to open this product first. This is from Teami, and it is called Soothe Tea Infused Oil. Teami is a really cool brand. They use tea in all of their products. And this looks like it is a essential oil for your face. You use 2 to 5 drops and rub it into your skin morning or night. It is infused with white sage leaf and lavender and blue tansy essential oil. Wow, look at that. You can see the lavender in it, and it is blue. Oh, I bet it smells wonderful too. I really like this brand Teami. I can't wait to try that. It looks so cool. Look at that. It's got a white sage leaf right inside there and all the lavender blossoms. So that's really neat. I like that. Let's see what the card says. It's worth $40 retail. So this is interesting. This is Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. And it is by Naturally Vain. This exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. Rose hip seed oil and ylang ylang. I love ylang ylang. That's one of my favorite essential oils. Anti-aging properties, creamy texture, leaves skin soft and clear. So I'm going to open this and see if the texture really is creamy. Oh, it smells so pretty. It looks like it was packed in there pretty well. It does have a creamy texture. I can't wait to try that cleanser. Naturally Vain. I've never heard of this company, but anytime you get facial stuff in the mail, I really enjoy it because I've been into the skincare routine stuff and I like it. So, moving on. This is cute. This is a bath bomb. Oh, and it says it has CBD in it. This is a Fresh Balm CBD bath bomb. It says wash away the stress of the day with eucalyptus and mint. A combination of Epsom salt, coconut oil. Washes away aches and dry skin. Wintergreen and peppermint oil. De-stresses. And yeah, you throw it in your bathtub and relax. CBD is really good for pain relief too. So I think that this is a really cool product. I love getting CBD stuff in the mail, and it's super popular right now. So I can't wait to try that. Bath time is like one of my favorite self-care things to do, if you don't know already. Okay, now's the fun part. These are the makeup palettes we got this month. And like I said, I haven't even looked at the spoilers, so this is new for me too. Crescent Moon Cast Cosmetics 4-color eyeshadow. That is so pretty. Let's see what these colors look like. Oh wait, I forgot to say the prices on these products. So the CBD bath bomb is 12 bucks. And the Rosy Cheeks facial scrub is also 12 bucks. But this eyeshadow Moon Quad is valued at, ooh, 45 bucks. Now, I can already tell these are shiny. Look at that. Those are duochrome shades, you guys. They are super glimmery pigment shadows, and I haven't tried duochrome yet, but I've seen a lot of the looks online, and oh my goodness, the glitter in there. It is so soft. Like, I am packing it down a little bit with the plastic that came on it because I don't want it to fall out of that palette. But this is going to look so pretty on top of an eyeshadow. Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, and Ophelia. Wow, those are so pretty. So I have to be really careful with that. I'm going to keep the plastic thing on there. I need to try more glitter shadows. I haven't tried the duochrome shades yet. They are a little bit bold for my type of look, but now that I have them, I'm going to have to try them. And the last palette in here, let's see. It is Glow Getter Highlighter Palette. It's from Keira Beauty, and it is valued at $15. Now it's packaged in here really well. So while I open it, I'll read to you about it. There are 6 shades that'll have you shining from across the room, it says. They're made for every type of look. And I've been really into highlighters lately. I was a little late on the game with them, but it is something I've been trying to do a lot more of. So, check this palette out. Oh, they're so pretty, you guys. And it has a big mirror on the front. Let me take the plastic off. This is why I love the Fahionsta box. Look at this full-size glow palette. 6 different colors, all rosy shades. They're going to look really great with your complexion and different styles, and they're huge. That's so pretty. Let's see if it has the colors on here. It doesn't say the color names, but that's all right. I really like that they are in mauvey pinky tones. So that'll just blend in really well with your blush. Okay. 2 palettes this month. Very exciting. Now there's one more thing in here. This is the last thing in the box. This is the 1520 sheet mask. It's valued at $7. It says it is an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen that seamlessly fits into your routine. I'm not too fond of sheet masks. I'd rather use clay masks on my face, but these are really great gifts to give away to people. This one says it is made from softest material, 4 times stronger. It's moisturizing, and they give a glow and radiance to your skin. So let me read on it. It says it's an antioxidant mask. It's from caviar extract, berry complex, and grapefruit extract. Got it. Yeah, 15 beauty. 1 antioxidant mask. Very cool. So all in all, I think I got a really great deal on this box. Like I said, this is one of my favorite things about the Fahionsta box is they're all full-size products, and these products are definitely worth the value for the box, which is priced at $25 a month now. But these are not like old products or products that have been discontinued or you can't find them online. These are new products that you can just like buy in store. I actually saw Teami in Ulta the other day, which is really awesome. So I'm glad they give us products that are beneficial, all natural, and you can go and pick up in store if you fall in love with them. So check out the Fahionsta box online, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.